¿Qué es tu nombre?
Yesenia.
You ready?
Yeah.
Excited?
Emocionada.
Sí,
A little
mucho.
scared, a little nervous?
Nerviosa,
Sí.
asustada.
Nerviosa.
Whose idea was this? It's your fault then, huh? Your idea. Are we celebrating anything?
No, we're just
Checking it
here
off the list.
Yeah.
Let's go have some fun.
Let's go.
Next time we see you guys, we're out in the plane. Here we go. Back around. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Let's get out, go to the skydive, have some fun. High five, high five, high five. Here we go.
Yupi.
Bueno.
Yeah.
Another?